This is like 20 minutes with like 10 docks empty beside me, and this professional truck driver can't get it in the right dock. I'm in door 13, the next trailer's in door 20. That's 7 dock spaces empty between us, and this professional truck driver is having some technical difficulties. Look at the truck. I wonder why that top piece is bent to shit. I wonder why it's a Freightliner. The front bumper's bent in, and officially 22 minutes. Oh wait, let's see. Gotta pull ahead. Gotta get that trailer lined up, because without that trailer being lined up, he's not gonna get it between the two trailers that are 7 docks apart. 22 minutes and counting. Let's see, can he get it? I say no, he can't. Come on, you can do it. This is what they taught you in professional truck driving school. Oh wait, pulling up again. Why didn't I grab my camera before 22 minutes had gone by? I guess I shouldn't feel too bad. It took me about 25 seconds between 2 trailers. Oh look, he's jackknifed. Oh wait, nope, can't do it. Gotta pull ahead. Oh wait, nope. I thought that he got it. Why did they have to give him such a tight dock to back into? Clearly he has experience going to Brooklyn. Yay, he did it. I'm not wasting any. Oh no, never mind. Sorry, my bad. I don't think I'm going to waste any more camera space though, so to all of you students out there, admire this guy. He does have talent. Peace out.